Hello, good afternoon, everyone. You are welcome once again. Thank you for joining this class. We appreciate you. Uh, I'm shooting this video for week one, task one, adding pages using Block Builder. The last video, we identified features of our website. We look at various menus on our website and what we can use it for. Now we are going more deeply. We are going to put into practice what we have been taught. So let me go back to my own website. My own website is lwmn.lautech.edu.ng. So for this activity or for this, it's going to be task on your end anyway because you are going to do this on the website. A one person is going to be a collaborative work for you and your team. One person will edit and you will edit it together. It's so simple. Just pay attention because I want to do editing work, which is admin work. I'm going to log into the website by putting /user at the back of my URL and press enter. I'm going to type my username, webmaster. The browser has already stored the password, so I don't need to input the password again. It's convenient for me this way, since I'm the only one using my computer. So I'm going to log in. Now, I want to add content. I'll go to manage to see all my menu. I'm specifically going to work under content menu. I'll click on it, content. So I only have one content there. So I'm going to add one or two, and I'm going to edit this home page. It's simple to do. So I'm going to add content. In Drupal, default, we have two types of content. One is article, the other one is basic page. Basic page, if you want to do a static page, use basic. If you want to do dynamic content, you can use article. For instance, now if I have a blog, I know that every week I must post on that blog. I can use article to be serializing my blog topics. But on that my website, I want people to know my contacts. I can use basic page to display my contacts, since my contacts will not change for some time. So basic page, static, article, dynamic, so that it can flow. Now, what do I want to create? I want to create about page, basic page. So I'll create about page. Now, I'm going to say it gives me this form to fill. I'm going to put about. So remember, when I click on basic page, I get to this place. Body, I will not put anything here for now. Add new builder. I will come back to this. Okay. Uh, okay. So I'm going to save. But because before I'll save, I want my URL to depict what I type there. I want to be able to control what comes out. Okay. So I'm going to put slash about here. So anybody that goes to lwmn.lautech.edu.ng slash about, you get to my page. That is exactly what I want to do. So I'm putting URL alias here. So I'm going to say, okay. So now I have a brand new page. See, I have a brand new page about, no content yet, and my footer is still there. This basic page about has been created, and because I'm an admin, you can see I can view it, I can edit it, I can delete it, and I can even revise it. Okay, so I'm going to edit it again because we have a very unique feature called block builder. I want to be able to use block builder for this page. Block builder is a very easy to use interface to develop websites. Anybody can use, and you will see very soon you will be a master of using block builder. So I'm going to add a new block builder. Okay, I'll give it about. I clicked on add a new block builder. Machine name, just copy, paste here, and submit. Okay, so it has created a block builder for me. Say please save and refresh if you want to duplicate. So I'm going to save this. Wow. Okay, so I'm back at my page, but it's saying, you can see we have a new link now, complete block builder. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, and I have my block builder page, so I can use this feature to design my website, and I'm going to use it now. Remember, Gavia's block builder is under structure. Remember structure. So instead of coming to that place, we can also reach it from here. We will go to the same thing. Now, I want to use this block builder, and I'm going to say add group. Okay, let's watch it. I'm going to add column. Let's add one by one. Okay, I'm going to add another. Okay, I'm going to add app. I want app. Okay, I can use this one to clone it, to clone this column. So I'm going to add to let's come to this. What I want to do here, I want to add like edit. Yes. I'll come to this plus sign. Okay. You can use this one if you have many. You can use this one to move. And if you want to decrease your row, you can use this. Come to 11, come to 10, come to 9, come to 8. You can increase it. Okay. You can add context to your row. So there are lots of elements that you can add. When you click this plus sign, it gives you a lot of elements that you can add. And I'm going to say edit. I want to add, yeah, okay. So it shows me that I've added that element. What I just need to do now is to edit that element. And you see, I can use this button to either edit or clone this element. All these buttons are useful, but let me edit it. Okay. So, what element do I want to add? I want to add about the training. About the training. This is what I want to add. Or let me say about FWML. Okay. So you can do some, if you want to write description, if you want to develop. Let's see how this one comes out. If you want to align, it's automatically aligned to center. And if you want to style it, so let's save it. If you want to animate it, you can come here. Let's save this. So it's here. Okay. Now, what can we use here? I want to add some content here. So, but let me find content. Right. Let's go to announcement. I hope you are all visiting our announcement page. Announcements. See a lot of all the messages I've been sending out. Okay. Let's click here. Okay. So now let me copy this on about. Okay. We even have out from here. Registration. Okay. Certificate. Okay. Let me add this to about. So I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to click here. I've already copied it. I'm going to click here. I'm going to use an element here. Which one do I use? Let me use box text. Okay, so I'm using box text. I'm going to add content to it. So I put it, you can use, this is Word format. You can use any of these formatting tools, any of these tools, view tools to do whatever you want to do. So I'm going to paste it. Okay, you can scroll down. So I've already pasted it here. You can scroll down, you can do all this. You can even animate it, but let's save it that way. Okay, so I'm saving it. Uh, so I already added my heading. I added a box text, and I'm going to save it, and I'll see what I have. Wow, I have about now. I have uh, this. Okay, so my page is coming up now, and I see although I have an element here, I have not put anything there. So I'm going to put something here, maybe a picture, and my page is going to look nice. But meanwhile, let me go back to my content. And now you can see I have two pages here. Now I have about, which is a basic page, and I have home, which is a basic page, and the author is the webmaster, is published. Whatever you do here on your website, you are being logged. You are being logged. So you know the admin can know, you yourself you will even know who did this. Okay, admin can know who did this. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. So, what I mean, anything you do on the website is being logged, and the admin can know whatever you do here. Now we have two pages: the home and the about us. The home is what you are already seeing. You may not like it. If you don't like it, let's say this. Some people have complained that they don't like to see Office of the Vice Chancellor on their page. So let's see how to edit it. So you are going to click edit here. Okay. So it takes you uh, to the edit page, and you can uh, use the block builder here. From the block builder, just click edit here. It should take you to the block builder that will use to design that. Now you see its own block builder. It's a bit more complex. It uses a Drupal block for the slider, so it has a slider section here for desktop. So that means the slider section you see for desktop, this is what you see for desktop. Also, this should be changed. This is what you see for uh, mobile, because a lot of people use mobile. That's what they see. Okay. Now the heading. This is what you are seeing in the heading. Office of the Vice Chancellor. Vice Chancellor. So let me change it on my own. So remember, this button you used to change. You click on it, so it takes you to this. So I'm going to change it. I have some HTML tag surrounding it, but that doesn't matter. So I'm going to change it to Lautech website. Okay. Now, training program. Okay. Management training program. Okay. So I think I'm correct now. Okay. want to change this now. As I as we get more experts, as we increase our expertise, we are going to be learning that. So you can see now it's changed, but I've not saved it. So let me save it. So I'll say, and I'll go to my home page. Save. Okay, so it's saved. Let me go to my, remember this link and use it to go to your home page. Okay, home. Okay, so you can see it's changed. Wow, LAUTECH website maintenance and management training program. No mistake. Okay, so I can change that. I can also come and change this too. Let me put a picture here. Let me add a column here. And you can see if I scroll up, I can even come to my config block builder here. Okay, so okay, so this is where my heading is. It's taking up the whole place. No, this is my, okay, yeah, this is my heading. Okay, it's taking up the whole place. Okay, so I don't want it like this. Let me create a new row. Let me move this down. No, okay, let me create a column. Okay, I will create a column is like a container. Okay, half. Okay, so I'm going to move this down. Hmm? Uh, Let me create another uh, column, half 1/2. Okay, created it here. So my contact is going to be here. I'm going to put a picture here. Hmm? But meanwhile, let me edit my contacts. Edit. Okay. So my email is not DLICT. My email is LWMM at lautech.edu.ng. I don't want this. Okay. I don't want this. I want to just put my phone number. No. Say 0813 024 683. That's my phone number. Okay, so that's my phone number. Save changes. Okay, you want to save changes. I'm going to, okay, let me add this. Let me just say course facilitator. Let me press enter here. Okay, let me even copy it. Let me copy it from something. Okay, don't worry. Let me type. Say type English, you know. Hmm? Course. Okay, and that's my phone. That's my. This is my email. This is my phone number. If you want to reach me, okay. I think I'm getting it. Let me increase this a bit. Let me look for formats here. Look for heading. Let me do this heading 3. Okay, so that it will be a bit big. What is this? Okay, now I'm going to save changes now. Okay, fine. So I'm going to put my picture here. So my website is gradually coming up. I'm going to find an element for picture, image content. Yeah, let me use this image content. Or I can use image. I'll use any one of them. Let me use image. Okay. So image, I'm going to edit it. Okay. I'm going to open my file browser. Okay. So you can see I have some software here. Do I have image here? So you can create a new folder where I'll be storing image. Images. Create. Okay. So I'm going to upload, add file. So let me look for my picture and graphic. Use my Google Drive. I should see my picture here. Okay, I don't want to use this. Okay, let me use my main picture. Okay, so it's small, but at least just for you to get the drift. Double click it. So it's there. I want it to align to center. Hmm? And let me see how I can even animate it. Hmm? But just make sure that you use this feature. You do not overuse it. Okay, so I saved it and I save it. Okay, so I'm back at my home page. My slider is still there, and you can see, so I have my contacts, Bade Uyishino, post leader, facilitator. Okay, this is where the M was missing, and this is my phone number, and this is my picture. So my page is coming up. You can also edit, you can start editing your pages. Let me quickly correct this. And I should put L there. On this page, I should find config block builder. Okay, config block builder. Okay, so this is where it is. Heading contacts. Edit it. Okay, so this is where I'm going to put it. L. Okay, so I think it's correct now. Save. Save. Okay, so I'm back to my home page and it's correct. Bade Uyishino. This is my picture. This is my website and my web page is coming up. Thank you for staying with us. Uh, we will see in the next activity. Thank you.